Meanwhile, Director of Elections Glasspool Brown says the day was incident-free. Mr. Brown said the polls opened at 10 this morning, and since then it has been quite smooth.
Approximately at 1 o'clock, 1,527 persons voted. That amount to about 50% of the electors that have voted so far, up to 1 p.m.
How has the process been like?
The process has been fairly smooth and orderly. We haven't had any problems this morning.
So what actually happened today at the National Arena? Here's a recap.
The People's National Party flags were flying high Saturday as over 3,000 delegates gathered at the National Arena in St. Andrew to vote for 4 vice presidents. The candidates were the incumbents Dr. Wickham McNeil, Dr. Fenton Ferguson, and Dr. Angela Brown Burke, as well as newcomers Mikhail Phillips, Philip Paulwell, and Damian Crawford. Ahead of the results, Mr. Crawford said whatever the outcome, he remains optimistic for the party.
I can't read what the outcome is because hugs don't mean vote. I know that I am well loved by the comrades and they have been showing a lot of emotion. If that emotion turns out into X's, then I should be in. If not, I think I ran a fair race, I ran a good race, I made a good platform for myself, but the others also did the same. And so people really have to choose 4 of the 6. So if we're in, I'm grateful and we have work to do. If we're out, we just have to remain iron like a lion in Zion.
Even before they knew the outcome, supporters of Dr. Burke were already claiming victory. The PNP president, Dr. Peter Phillips, was among delegates casting a vote today. And even hours before the contest was over, he expressed satisfaction with the manner in which the candidates handled the race.
Well, I am very proud of my party this morning because what you are seeing here is the culmination of a campaign that has been conducted in the highest spirit of democracy. Everybody, all 6 candidates conducted themselves in a positive way. No one was pulling down anyone else.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.